Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to delete multiple archived posts on Facebook using your PC. Whether you've archived a bunch of posts over time and now want to clean up your profile, this new update makes it easy to remove them in just a few steps. Let's dive in. Step 1. First, open Facebook on your PC. Simply go to the website and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it to open your profile page. Step 3. After clicking on your profile photo, you'll be taken to your profile. Here, you'll see all of your posts, photos, and shared content. Step 4. Now, look for the 3 dots near your profile picture or next to your Edit Profile button. Click on these dots, and from the menu, select Archive. Step 5. In the Archive section, you'll see all the posts that you've archived over time. To delete multiple posts, check the box next to each post you want to remove. Step 6. After selecting the posts, click on the Recycle Bin option. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking you if you're sure you want to delete these posts. Click Confirm, and the selected posts will be permanently deleted from your archive. And that's it. Now you know how to delete multiple archived posts on Facebook. It's a quick and easy way to tidy up your profile and manage your archived content. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials.